What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. It's going to be a little crazy on my side. Don't forget to smash that like button. What I mean by crazy is I have some midterms coming up, and check my announcements on my community section. I may have to take a week break due to midterms getting crazy and lab test outs and everything going crazy all at once. But I will keep you posted on that. But we're going to talk about Pfizer right now. As an investor, when I look at stocks, I look at how it's done against the S&P. But this is one thing to capitalize on right now. It is $34.48, less than $40. So literally, if you sign up on your M1 Finance account for your dividend portfolio, you almost get Pfizer right now. Okay, there's a special for $30, which I'll post in the comment section. But Pfizer right now is down. Okay, this is why I have it in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Not only do they have the vaccine, everybody's praising the vaccine, but they have other products. So they are a juggernaut when it comes to other products. As I mentioned and emphasized before, they have statins that they sell. They sell ACE inhibitors, okay? They sell a lot of products. And don't forget Viagra. Viagra is a very popular product with Pfizer. So it doesn't matter if, if COVID goes away, this company is still going to be strong. So this is why I love this stock. It is down, okay? I'm going to show you how it's doing with its dividend real quick. So you're looking at a company that has increased its dividend over time from 32 to 34 to 36 to 38, 39 cents right now. PE ratio 20.21, dividend yield of 4.47%, a $1.56 annual dividend. So how are you going to say no to a stock like that? Now, it's not one of the best stocks to put in for a traditional Roth IRA because it's slowly going up, but man, look at that. 4.47% dividend yield, a company that is very strong. Company has been there, done that. The revenue is in the billions, well-known company, juggernaut company. How are you going to say no to a stock like Pfizer? So recently I posted a video with my top 5 pharmaceutical stocks to buy that are good dividend stocks. I'm going to put that in the comment section below. It's a little bit of a long video, but I hope you enjoy that one. But I'm going to tell you, Pfizer is one of the top 5, one of my top 5 favorite stocks. One of the best, for yield. You're going to get a bang for your buck, basically, for this stock. I like to invest in dividend stocks that are a 3 to 5% dividend range. And things are looking very strong with Pfizer. So I'm going to continue to buy Pfizer. I'm going to jump to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio real quick. So right now I'm at 22.59 shares of Pfizer, 21 positions right now. I have made some major changes to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I'm going to continue to reinvest my dividends. And I have Pfizer right now at 6% of my fractional share dividend portfolio. I really like the way things are going with Pfizer. I'm going to continue to reinvest in Pfizer. I'm going to start buying it. I'm going to hit this pharmaceutical sector pretty strong, but Pfizer is one of them that I'm going to attack and continue to put money in because I like the yield, I like the passive income opportunity, and all these other stocks can start buying more shares with Pfizer. So once I get to 100 shares or 120 shares of Pfizer, the game's going to start changing. Dividends are going to start flowing. AT&T is going to start buying shares for Pfizer. Seagate's going to start buying shares for Pfizer. Pfizer's going to start buying shares for Seagate. So with my strategy with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, it is kicking in. So right now I have the real estate sector at 20-some%, but I do want to attack these other stocks and let the compound interest kick in. So right now I'm looking, I'm focusing on putting money in the real estate sector, but I do that's why I have Pfizer pretty high, and I may make some changes to get the real estate sector even lower, but I changed it 27%, put Pfizer up because this is such a great stock that you cannot say no to on your dividend portfolio or your I mean, you can put it in a traditional Roth IRA, but I prefer it more in a dividend portfolio. So things are looking pretty strong. Pfizer is down less than $40. I'm going to continue to buy and reinvest the stock. So let me know what you think of this video. I know it's going to be brief and pretty quick, but I'm going to continue to buy Pfizer. I have a lot of confidence in this company. Again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I love to post stock and dividend analysis videos and show you all the stocks that I own. I like to show you the top 5 dividend stocks that I like, or I kind of reveal to you like stocks that are on my radar, and I provide a stock and dividend analysis and provide my rationale as to why I like them. So we're at 4,000 subscribers strong. You guys have been fantastic. This channel is growing. You guys are more active, and I really appreciate the effort that all of us together on this channel. The more likes, the more activity that you guys get on here, the more I will be involved with this channel. I realize that there is a lot of potential, and you guys want to see videos that I post, and I'm going to continue to post videos on this. The one thing is I do have these midterms coming up. I'm going to I might post like one video a week based on these midterms just for next week. So I'm just letting you know in regard to that. I'll probably post 1 or 2 videos, but make sure you hit that notification bell so, if I post a video and it's on a day that you're not expecting it, you see it with that notification bell. So keep on checking my channel. Keep on watching some of the videos I have. Again, thank you so much. This channel is blowing up, and I really appreciate what you guys have done, and you guys have inspired me to make more videos and show you what type of stocks that are hot in the market that I'm buying. Another thing is Carl Icahn is it sounds like he's going to put some stake in First Energy, so there's some big news with First Energy stock. I want to just show you too with Omega Health Investors what just happened. I just made, let's see, $12.25 with this stock. So things are looking pretty well. I sold Hormel Foods. I sold this one. I put that actually on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, about 10 shares, and I'll probably maybe get to about 40 and then leave it alone, let the dividends reinvest. But things are looking really strong. And as I showed you before, putting money, I had to sell this, and I sold these. I got gain on my E-Trade dividend portfolio. Probably added eventually to the business development companies. Again, gain in Maine, so that gets the ball rolling. But things are looking really good right now, and I really like where I'm at. And things are looking very strong with this portfolio. And I can thank Pfizer for doing a hell of a job as a company, distributing dividends. Let's see, I've earned $28.14 with Pfizer, and I'm going to continue to put in more shares, reinvest, and let this bad boy flow because it's down. I think it's undervalued in my honest opinion because it's a juggernaut of a company, and things are looking, the future is bright with Pfizer. It's not just vaccines, but all their other products are really hot in the market and everybody likes. So again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. You guys have a great weekend. Be safe. I'm going to be pounding away with the books in my midterm. So I'm going to tell you, probably I'm going to try again one video next week. So at least one. So you guys take care and have a good one.